today's topic, children. So let's watch now. What is a quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is nothing but which is a second degree equation in a variable. So generally when we talk about quadratic equations, it is of the form it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. This is quadratic expression. This is quadratic equation. This is quadratic inequation, either greater than or equal to, greater than 0, less than 0, less than, these are all inequations. But whenever we talk about quadratic term, when we use the quadratic term, we know it is parabolic path. So this is parabolic. See, if you see this, it is not cutting x-axis even at one place, therefore it has no real roots, it has imaginary or complex roots. Okay. Now, here as this cup is upwards, A is the thing, so A is greater than 0. So if the cup is downward like this, then A is less than 0. A is less than 0. Please note the points just because you need to just revise the syllabus, and noting, of course, it's very simple. You can take a screenshot. So now whatever it is, this vertex, this is called as vertex. Please note the points I am trying to tell you. This is vertex. Vertex will always be minus b by 2a, comma, I call it as a. 4ac minus b square by 4a. Okay. So the vertex is always minus b by 2a, comma, 4ac minus b square by 4a. If it is like this, it is having two values of x. It is cutting x-axis. So a is greater than 0. A is less than 0. Two solutions. Two real solutions. Okay. If the curve is like this touching, then it has one real solution. A is greater than 0. Whenever it is upward, it is a greater than 0, and it is like this, a less than 0. One real solution, or roots are equal. So here in this case, discriminant is equal to 0. Discriminant is greater than or equal to 0, greater than 0, and in these cases discriminant is less than 0. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac is the discriminant. Okay. So this is what we need to talk about. So please take a click of these things so that we can go to the concept and problem solving. Please take screenshot. Okay. So solving of equations can be done by three different ways. Formula, this is first method. Second method is completing square, and third method is factors. Generally, if I solve the problems, I try to use factors method. Sometimes I find completing squares is better method, so very rarely I will be using this. If I find to find factors, it is very difficult or it takes a lot of time, I directly use the formula. This is the technique I use. First largely used method, second largely used method, third used method, according to me. Okay. As far as my comfort of solving questions are concerned. If based on your comfort, you can use whatever it is. Okay. So let us go to the problem solving now. So look at this. What is the sum of all values of k that satisfy this? There are again other things. Sum of the roots alpha plus beta is minus b by a. product of roots is c by a. This also you need to note. This is very, very important logic. Sum of roots is minus b by a if alpha and beta are the roots, and product of roots is c by a. So now, what is the sum of all values of k that satisfy this, he says. So now let us check the discriminant of it, b square. 3 you can take common, isn't it? So you will get k square minus 9k plus 6 equals 0. Discriminant 9 square 81 plus or minus root of b square, So this is discriminant is b square minus 4ac. B square means 81 minus 4 into 1 is 4 into 6, 24. So this is greater than 0. So definitely it has two roots. Sum we are taking what is that, he says, what is the sum of all values of k that satisfies. So sum of the roots is minus b by a, no formula. Okay, sum of the roots, different values of k means different roots. Very clearly we got discriminant is greater than 0, right children? So when discriminant is greater than 0, there are two real roots. So that means alpha and beta are the two real roots. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a. So that means, what is a here if you compare this with ax square plus bx plus c equal to, you got it as k square minus 9k plus 6, means according to our problem x and k are same. Whether represented by x or k, it's okay. So different values of k means how many values of k we got? Two values, because we are getting discriminant greater than 0. When discriminant is greater than 0, two roots, sum of the roots is minus b by a. So minus b is what? Minus of minus 9 by a. What is a? 1. So that is 9 by 1, right children? So therefore option is 9b. Please note it fast. So children, I have written certain points. After this, after you note this, I will repeat all the things. So please check, and if you have any doubts, you can get them clarified quick. Now look at this. See, discriminant is less than 0. The equations are like this or like this. A less than 0, a greater than 0, no real roots. So I am repeating whatever I did before, I am repeating so that you are aware of what we are doing. 2. Discriminant greater than 0, the curves are like this. So this is alpha and this is beta. A greater than 0, a less than 0. This is alpha and this is beta. So if ax square plus bx plus c is greater than 0, equal to 0 is the quadratic equation, then sum of roots alpha plus beta is minus b by a, and product of roots is c by a. Okay. So 3. Formula to get values of roots is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, where discriminant is b square minus 4ac. 4th, splitting into factors. This we will discuss when situation comes. Completing square. Next is case 6, where discriminant is equal to 0, roots are like this, only one root, or two equal roots, otherwise two equal roots we call. So, a greater than 0 and a less than 0. So, alpha comma 0, alpha comma 0, like that. Okay, children. So, this is what we have discussed in all, and these are the only concepts we will be using. So, I am not going into details of proving all the things because we are in the crash course. Crash course means you might have already done this and you should have had the knowledge of this. So, it is only the revision part I am covering for you, so that you will be able to apply these concepts to a question. Okay. If you want detailed explanation of all these things, you can give me a chat message so that we can work on. Okay. But anyway, presently, assuming that you have already worked this, because you are in crash course, you are not in a regular course. So, assuming that you all know these points, proofs of these points, I am only covering as a revision. Okay. Please note it fast. So, let us go to, please take screenshot of it, children. In crisp I have written everything. Quick. Okay, let us go to the next question. So, now factors of this are. So, children, now there are different ways of finding out factors. See, here I need to get this C. That means if I multiply these things, I should get this answer. So, positive, negative, plus into minus is minus 6. You have plus 6, isn't it? So, this is ruled out, this is ruled out, because you should get plus 6, but you will be getting minus 6 in these cases. So, you have to get plus 6. 3 2s are 6, good, minus 3 into minus 2, 6. So, both can be the answers. Now, x square coefficient I cannot check because you will get 2x square here, here also you get 2x square. Only x we should check now. So, 4x plus 3x, 7x. 4x plus 3x is 7x. But you have minus 7x or not, so this is also ruled out. Answer is B. Okay. So, that is one way of doing it. What is actual method now? Look at that. 2x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0 is the thing. So, I should find out AC. AC means 2 into 6, that is 12. Find factors for 12, find factors for 12 such that if you add those two factors, you should get answer as minus 7. Okay. So, 12 can be written as minus 4 into minus 3. Negative into negative is positive, 4 into 3 is 12. So, you got positive 12. So, I will rewrite this as now 2x square minus 7x is minus 4x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Between these two I will take 2x common, you will get x minus 2. Between these two you take minus 3 common, you will get x minus 2. So, take x minus 2 common between these two, so you will get 2x minus 3. So, this is the way we need to break into factors. This is without breaking into factors, just by observation we will tell. First we will see the product and we will eliminate two options. That is what we eliminated C and D. Afterwards I check the coefficients of x. Here I do not even need to verify. You see, here you have everything plus, so you cannot get negative 7. So, I do not even need to expand this and see, but still I showed expansion. Not necessary. Why it is not necessary? Because it is negative, no negative, so there is no possibility. So, answer is this. Means without verifying, without solving, I will tell just by observation. Okay, children, please note it. Take screenshot. I think method is understood. So, let us go to the next concept. Okay, this is the thing. So, let us look at this. He is asking you to find out the factors. Again, it's same. I should get product of constants is minus 4. You have minus 4 ruled out because you will get plus 4. This is also plus 4 ruled out. This is minus 4. Answer should be one of these two. Okay. So, here 6x square is there in both the cases. So, x square does not give us any yield. Now, only x I should check, because you see minus negative term is dominating, positive term is not dominating. Here negative term is not dominating, positive term is dominating. So that means here you will get plus 5x, here you will get minus 5x. So eliminated, accepted. Now I talked in terms of dominance. So if suppose you really want to check, if you cannot identify like this directly, then what happens? 4 2s are 8x minus 3x is plus 5x. So you want minus 5x, so eliminate it. So therefore this is the answer. Right, children? This is how you need to work. See, I did nothing. You can see the board. It is very cleanly covered. Just by observations I am trying to explain you. Okay. So please note these methods because this will help you a lot in the examination hall. You need not break into factors. You need not do anything. But still, for your knowledge purpose, I will break this and show. A is 6 and C is minus 4. So you will get minus 24. Take factors for minus 24 so that you get minus 5. So if you add those two, you should get minus 5. So 8 threes. So minus sign I will put it here. Minus 8 into 3 is minus 24. Minus 8 plus 3 equal to minus 5. Finished? You see you have minus 5. So 6x square minus 5x can be written as minus 8x plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. So take 2x common. If you take 2x common, you will get 3x minus 4 plus 1 common 3x minus 4. Take 3x minus 4 common here. You will get 2x plus 1. So option is this. Right, children? The process I have shown, directly I have shown, how to identify I have shown. I think you should get enough ideas on how to solve these problems of quadratic equation. Please note it fast, quick. Screenshot, children. Don't try to write. It takes more time. Just take screenshot. Afterwards, you can work it out. Okay. Let's go to the next question. So look at this. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? Simple logic. X square quotient should be negative. You see, not rejected. So remaining 3 are standing. So now 84. No, not possible. Of course, this is already rejected, so I don't even need to check. This you see, 12 fours 48, rejected. Constants I am checking. 21 fours 84, 12 sevens 84. So one of these two is the answer. 12 sevens 84, 21 fours 84. So now I should go for x plus 5 you should get. You see 21 minus 4. 21 minus 4. 21 minus 4 will not give you the answer, right? So now you see 21 minus 4 is 17. Okay. Now you see you have plus 5. So now you check this. 7 minus 7 plus 12. Minus 7 plus 12 is 5. So answer is this, rejected. Clear? I am checking only x coefficients, x square quotients and constants. That is what I did. Please note this. I think there is nothing to note on the board. It's all orally we have done. But only thing is you should understand the concepts. If you understand the concepts, it's fine. Okay. Let us go to the next question. Otherwise, you can also expand, multiply and see. You see 12x, here we have shown expansion. Anyway, 12x plus 84 minus x square minus 7x. So, you will get this answer. Okay. So, let us go to the next question. Zeros means solving of the equation. So, therefore, here we can do one thing. Directly solving is what? 27 x square minus 3 equal to 0. Zeros means we should equate it to 0. X square is 1 by 9. X is plus or minus root 1 by 9 is 1 by 3. So, therefore, plus or minus 1 by 3 is the answer. So, option A satisfies. Okay. Quick. This is the thing you need to take. Have you taken the screenshot? Okay. Let us go to the next question. Zeros means you should find out the solution for this. You see here all coefficients are positive. All coefficients are positive. So, therefore, you can substitute, see alpha plus beta, we have different methods of working, children, okay. Alpha plus beta is what? Minus b by a, alpha beta c by a. This is the logic we need to find out. What is minus b by a? Minus 12 by 4 is minus 3, and this is c by a, that is 9 by 4. See, sum of roots should be negative. Sum of roots should be negative means both positive are eliminated. This is gone. So now we have 3 more options to verify. Minus 3 by 2 plus of minus 3 by 2. Alpha plus beta, isn't it? So you are getting this as the answer. Now let us see. Alpha plus beta 0, eliminated. Alpha plus beta 2 by 3 means LCM is 3. You will get minus 4 by 3. So sum of roots is what? You should get minus 3. So this is also eliminated. So just with sum of the roots, I identified which is right, which is wrong. Right, children? So sum of the roots concept I used. I got answer as option A. Clear, children? Please note it fast. I am not finding solutions anywhere. I am using techniques, shortcuts. We call it as shortcut. Save time, use this time somewhere else, okay? So this is over. Now you see, which of the following is equivalent to the expressions given above? So 3 if you take common, x square minus 16. So this is x square minus 16 is 4 square or not? So a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So option is A. Quick. Right, children, let us go to the next question. See, x minus 6 root x minus 16, which of the following must be true? See, I told better we take expansions, okay. See, this says roots are equal. This says roots are equal. Sum of roots minus 4 plus 4 0, but sum of roots is not 0. What is sum of roots? Minus b by a, that is minus of minus 6 by 1, that is 6. Product of roots is c by a, that is minus 16 by 1, that is minus 16. Okay. So now I will use this concept and see how to get the solution. See, equal roots, both are equal. So when both are equal, discriminant should be 0. Discriminant should be 0. What is discriminant in that case? B square 36 minus 4 into A is 1 into C is minus 16. So this is 36 plus 64, which is 100. Okay. Minus B by A, discriminant. So discriminant we got it as 100, which is not equal to 0, so it cannot be equal roots, children. Okay. Therefore, ruled out. Ruled out. Sum of roots 0. Sum of roots equal to 0. So, but we got here sum of roots as 6. So that is not equal to 6. So ruled out. Right, children? I am not doing anything. I am just discussing certain points. Different methods I will discuss. You decide which method you want to follow. Okay. Now, product of roots is what? Minus 16. So you have minus 16. This could be the answer, or this also could be the answer, because minus 8 into minus 2, plus 2 is minus 16. Answer could be one of those two. Product of roots. So with product of roots we are not getting any answer, so we will check sum of roots. Sum of roots. What is sum of roots here? Minus 8 plus 2, that is minus 6. So answer is C. D is deleted. If C is answer, D is deleted. Okay. This is how you get it. Otherwise, expand and see. Expand and see. So break factors. AC 1 into minus 16, so that is minus 16. You should take factors for minus 16 such that you get minus 6. So factors are minus 8 into 2, 8 to 16, and minus 8 plus 2 is minus 6. So I will break this as root x whole square, minus 6x is minus 8 root x plus 2 root x minus 16. So take root x common here, you will get x root x minus 8. Between these two, plus 2 common, finished. So root x plus 2 into root x plus 2 into root x minus 8 we are getting. Sum of roots minus 8 plus 2, 8 minus 2. So minus b by a, minus or minus plus 6. So this is not the answer, no. See, sum of root should be what? Plus 6. So this is not equal to 6. So answer is this. Okay. See, children, little bit of hurry can spoil the answer. In one of the previous cases also, when we are discussing examination paper, we find the same type of problem. We were in little bit of hurry of closing that fast. So we committed some error and we had to change the answer like that. So therefore, please be careful in calculating. Here we thought this, but we did not see it is not equal to plus 6. So these are all important. See, if you observe, I am trying to close most of the problems till now whatever we have done with sum of the roots and product of the roots concept without trying to really expanding the things. Okay. But I am showing both the methods everywhere. So you need to understand which you feel is more comfortable. In this case, if you ask me, I found the factorizing method as more comfortable method. Okay. Choice is yours. Please take screenshot of it. So this is not required. So let us eliminate this. Yeah. So this is the thing. These are not required, children. We need to go short. So x square plus y square is 10 and xy is minus 3. What is the value of x minus y whole square? Simple logic. X minus y whole square is what? X square plus y square minus 2xy. So simple, no? X square plus y square, we got it as, they have given it as 10. Minus 2 into xy is minus 3. That is 10 plus 6, that is 16. So simple. Option B you have. Okay. Please note it fast, quick. Right children, let us go to the next question. 4p plus 1 whole square is 81 and p is greater than 0. What is the possible value? Children, these things we can expand and we can find out. So now instead of that, these type of problems will become simple if I can substitute. If you take p as 2, 8 plus 1, 9 square 81 finished, answer is 2. So these are all higher values now, so definitely they cannot be the answers. So please note it, substitution, simple substitution. So I don't solve anything, simply I substitute and see which is the answer, okay. So we got it as option A. So this is the thing, okay. Here we have solved the problem and tried to get the value of p. I don't like to solve these type of things, I would like to substitute and see, okay. Next, what is the possible value of x? So children, if you look at this, again substitution can prove to be the better method. You substitute x is 4, means both are positive. So answer x should be lesser than 3. X is lesser than 3. Lesser than 3 you have only one option, because we should get one positive, one negative. Then only you will get answer as -1. If both are positive, both are negative, you will not get minus as the answer. So therefore, very clearly one of these factors should be positive and other factor should be negative. 4 means both are positive, and 4 both are positive means automatically these two are also positive. Elimination of options, answer is only 2. Or otherwise you substitute and see 4 minus 1 3, 3 into 1 is 3, not the answer. 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 into 4, 7 into 5, 35, not the answer. 6 minus 1 5 and 6 minus 3 is 3, 5 3 is 15, not the answer. 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, finished. Substitution, okay. There are two logics I taught. I said to get minus value, one should be positive and other should be negative. So that's what we need to look at. So that is possible only with x equal to 2. Other thing is what? Substitution and seeing, okay. So let's go for this. By what amount does the sum of roots exceed the product of roots in these equations? Sum of roots, what is sum of roots? See, x minus 5 equal to 0 means x is 5 and x is minus 2. Sum of roots, this is sum, alpha plus beta. Product of roots is what? 5 into minus 2, that is 10, okay. Now by what amount does the sum of roots exceed, means difference you should take or not. 3 minus of minus 10 is 3 plus 10, that is 13, right? Please note it fast. Okay, please note it fast. I think you have noted this. Screenshot. Children, I felt like I went little fast, so I have slowed down, and question paper I went very fast because that is already which we have done. So you only need to recollect the technique, that's all. Which you are missing, we are trying to get you recollected. But here this is new things we are doing, so we are going slow. So once we started quadratic equations, I slowed down because they are the new concepts, so I need to teach you fully. Whereas question paper I went very fast because that is only revision, and what you did or what you practiced, that we have to do. So I went very fast, and in that there should be one logic that you should understand. We took just 20 minutes, means to cover so many questions of we took just 20 minutes. So that means you should get an idea that while teaching, if it is 20 minutes, while solving individually it should be still lesser than that, maybe 17 minutes or 15 minutes or so. Means time will be sufficient, you should only apply the skill, that's all, okay. So let's go to the next question. So if R and S represents the solutions, means roots, alpha, beta we said, here he is saying R and S, so it does not matter. So now what is that? He said represent solutions of the equation above. R is greater than S, he says. What is the difference? R minus S. So children, what is that equation written as 3k square plus 14k minus 5, correct? What is sum of roots? Minus b by a. What is product of roots? C by a. So difference of roots. So alpha minus beta. See, I am using alpha beta, here we are using RS, it does not matter. So alpha minus beta is root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. This is the formula. So alpha plus beta is minus 14 by 3 minus 4 into alpha beta is minus 5 by 3. That is root of 196 by 9 plus 20 by 3. If you take LCM, 196 plus 60 by 9 under root. So what is that? 12, 0, 2 by 9. So what is that we are getting? Alpha plus beta, 3k square plus 14k minus 5. So sum of roots is minus b by a, product of roots is c by a. So alpha minus beta is alpha plus beta whole square, so minus 14 by 3 whole square, that is 196 by 9, and minus 4 into minus 5 by 3, that is plus 20 by 3. 23 60, yeah, this is 60. So 6, so this is the problem. So this is 6, 9 plus 6 is 15, 256. So 256 root we have, that is nothing but 16 by root 9 is 3, 16 by 3, option D. So this is the technique we have used here. So here what is that we are doing? We are finding out the factors. We are finding out the factors, and roots we got it as 1 by 3 and minus 5. So 1 by 3 is bigger, so this is R and this is S. R minus S is this. So now you should observe, here I used one technique, here I used another technique. You should understand, or you should feel which is easy for you. Based on that you follow that method. Here we have used a formula, a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. This is the logic I am using. So whether you want to use this logic or you want to use this logic, choice is yours. So please note it fast, quick. Yeah, let us go to the next question. This equal to this, for what values of x m plus n is 13. For what values of x m plus n is 13, and what is value of c? Of course, c is mn we got, c equal to mn. So we should get m plus n equal to 13, m plus n equal to 13. So let us see what is this we should get, x values. He is asking find out what is the value of c, and for what values of x m plus n equal 13. For all values of x, sorry, not for what values. For all values of x, m plus n is 13. So sum of the things is 13 he gave. Now we should find out the value of c. So m plus n equal to 13 we know. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . So C is equal to Mn, that is equal to how much? So now look at this. 2k if it is 6, because x square quotient is 6. So 2k equal to 6. So k will be equal to 3. So now the final equation of this will be like this. Okay. So now you check C value, Mn. C value is Mn. Now what is that? M plus n equal 13 is one thing. 2n plus 3m equal to, what is that? X coefficient 29. So we should find out Mn from there. So solve them. If you solve them, what happens? I'll take this into 2. So 2m plus 2n equal to 26. 3m plus 2n equal to 29. M equal to 3. Put m equal to 3 here. So n equal to 13 minus 3 is 10. C is Mn, that is 30. So option is D. So here what is that we did? 2m n plus 3m is 29. Same way as we have done here. Same logic I used, x coefficient. Then either go for trial and error, but this I don't suggest, but still only as a method that exists I am discussing that. So 3m plus 2n is this one, and m plus n is 13, but better method is solve them and get mn values, and then m and n values, and then substitute and get mn. Okay. So this all I have written here, please note it. Trial and error method I will not suggest at all, but just because a method exists I have mentioned it there. Okay. Please go for this logic, quick. Right, let us go to the next question. X square minus kx minus 20, and this, which of the following is possible value of x? So in this case we have k, in this case we have k. So he is asking what is the possible value of x. So x square minus kx minus 20 are equal to 20. X equal to 6 plus k by 2 we got. What is the possible value of x? So we should need to eliminate k. We need to eliminate k from both of them. So x minus k by 2 equal to 6. So what is k from here? Take this to the right and this to the left. So k is 2x minus 12 equal to k. Substitute that in the first equation. X square minus k is 2x minus 12 into x minus 20 equal to 0. Expand it. X square minus 2x square is minus x square. Take that to the right, you will get plus x square. Now x term. So you will be getting minus into minus plus 12. Plus 12 into x is plus 12x. Take it to the right, you will get minus 12x. Minus 20 is there, take it to the right, you get plus 20 is 0. So what can be the value of x now? Possible value of x, he says. So factors AC is 20, product of roots. Factors for 20 such that you get minus 12. Minus 10 into minus 2 is plus 20. So take this, x square minus 10x minus 2x plus 20 equal to 0. Take x common, minus 2 common, take x minus 10 common, you will get x minus 2. So now you have one is x equal to 10 and other is x equal to 2. So out of these two he has given x equal to 2 as the option. Children, have you followed what we have done? From here I found out what is k. K is 2x minus 12. I substituted k value here. You will get this equation. Factors, AC is 20. I took factors for this. I got minus 10 and minus 2. Expand this like this, because minus 10 minus 2 is minus 12. So, you simplify this, you get x equal to 2 and x equal to 10. So, here what is that we are doing for this? We are adding minus k by 2 whole square on each side. So, you will be getting this. So, this is x minus k by 2 whole square, x minus k by 2 whole square equal to 20 minus of k square by 4. So, this is x minus k by 2 whole square equal to this. Okay. Now, 6, what is that 6 you got it as? From here, x minus k by 2 is 6. So, in place of this I will substitute 6. So, this is another method, children, you need to understand. So, 6 square equal 20 plus k square by 4, 36 minus 20 is 16 is k square by 4, k square is 16, k is plus or minus 8. So, substitute k is plus or minus 8, you will get x is plus 8 by 2 means you will be getting it as 4, and minus of minus 8 is plus 8. So, that is equal to 2. So, substitute and get the values of x as 2 or minus 8. So, this is one lengthier method I am feeling, children, but it is your choice. My ideas and thoughts are different from other individual ideas and thoughts. So, I may feel some method easy, but you may feel that method hard. I may feel some method is little typical, but you may find it easy. So, choice is yours, which you follow. So, please note this also. So, this you noted, we have done in a simpler way. This is another way, using these two in different fashion, using those same two equations in different fashion. Okay. Please note it fast, quick. Take screenshot, I will go to the next page. So, note this quick. Screenshot, children, we do not have time to solve everything, write everything. So, screenshot, quick. Okay, so let us go to the next question. The number of solutions for the equation, system of equations. So, children, y equal to this and y equal to this. So, let us take y as equal terms. You will be getting it as equal to 5x minus 7. Simplify. X square plus x plus 8 equal to 0. What is discriminant? B square minus 4ac, which is less than 0. You see, 1 square minus 4 into 1 into 8. So, this is 1 minus 32 is minus 31, less than 0. So, therefore, 0 real roots. It has no real roots. So, it has 0 real roots. Okay. Discriminant less than 0 means complex roots, means 0 real roots. Please note it fast, quick. Screenshot, children. Yeah, my dear friends, let us move to the next question. Yeah, find the number of solutions. Again, it's same. Need to equate these two and find discriminant. X square minus 3x minus 8 equal minus x plus 2. So, x square minus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. So, discriminant is b square minus 4ac. 4 plus 40, that is 42, 44, sorry, greater than 0. So, 2 real roots. 2 real roots. So, option A, quick. Yeah, my dear friends, I think you understood, but I don't know if you really were comfortable with the speed of test discussion, but it was necessary for me because I should give you psychological edge also. I should also make you realize that the paper is not difficult and you can easily do such type of things provided you have basic concepts in your mind. So, that is why that paper was taken at that speed, discussion was taken at that speed and finished early. But now you should understand these problems. We went very slow here so that you all understand. We covered certain concepts, I gave all theories and then I proceeded further. So, if you have any questions, you can leave chat messages so that we can answer you back. All the best, have a great day. God bless you all.